Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal if you're new here. So today I'm going to show you guys my favorite keto drink of the moment, my keto strawberry drink of the moment, and energy drink. Okay, I'm hating my hair right now, but I'm going to try to ignore it. The only things you're going to need, you only need a few things, and a lot of it is kind of optional. Don't want to say this is like a dupe for the pink drink, but like it just, that's what it reminds me of because I've been with Vanessa a lot lately, and that's like all she drinks. But the main ingredient that you're going to want, or I guess the two main ingredients, two of the three main ingredients that you need are going to be one of these Bang energy drinks. I know. I'm obsessed with these now. So I've just been using this flavor. It's just the blue Razz. I already opened this one because I already made the drink yesterday. But so I use basically only like half a can per drink because I just can't do too much carbonation. It makes my stomach hurt a little bit. But so I'm using this one today. You can do this recipe with like so many different flavor versions of it, but this is what we're doing today. I might show you guys some of my other favorite mixes later on if you guys want, but this is the one we're using today, and I'm mixing it with the sparkling ice Kiwi strawberry. These are the flavors that we're going for today. And then also you're going to need heavy cream because keto. So I'm using heavy cream to make it kind of like a cream. So that's what you need. Optional ingredients that I am gonna add in today. I usually add them in, except for this one. I only add this in sometimes. The sugar-free French vanilla? Yeah. Coffee creamer and vanilla flavor. I only add this sometimes, but I think I'm gonna add it today because I'm kind of running out of my heavy cream. Optional, especially, you don't really need to use this if you're gonna use some vanilla flavoring. I don't really like imitation vanilla flavoring, and I'm not sure if this throws you out of ketosis, so I don't really wanna recommend this. But you can use this instead of this. Use one or the other. Probably best to go with this one, but I'm gonna use both today, so don't judge. Last that is optional is just your sweetener. So I'm using stevia in the raw. I don't really like fake sweeteners. I've said it before. I only use it in a few of my like keto recipes, but this is one that I do add it in. Technically, you don't really need to. I just like to. I'm gonna move you guys now so we can get, oh, and the cup, and I use a straw because you're gonna wanna keep it mixed together. So either a straw or like a spoon, something in there to keep it mixed. And I'm moving, so I'm sorry if you see any mess. I'm using disposable straws because I'm moving, packing up my house, so don't judge. Okay. Maybe this wasn't the best shirt to wear because it's gonna be blending in with my cup, but I want you guys to like see the color changes. You can add ice in here first if you want to, but I just haven't been lately, and I'm really sorry. There's a bird right outside the window. That's just gonna keep going. So this is just the cup that I'm using right now. It was from my bar cart. It's plastic. I'm moving, so I'm trying to pack up all my glass stuff. So this is what I'm using right now. But I want you guys to see the color change because it's so pretty. Okay, so the first thing that I do, and it's gonna change based on the size of your cup. So I don't really measure it. I just go by like how it fills my cup. But usually I do up until about that much way of my cup because I want to leave that amount of space right there probably for like the foam, because when you add in the heavy cream it's going to kind of foam up. But I do primarily my Bang Energy, which is usually about half of the can. And like I said, I used this yesterday, so there's the other half done. And then I add in my sparkling ice. This one might kind of explode slightly. This into about that good chunk amount, you know. We want to leave room for foam. Oh my gosh, I spilled. Yay, pretty. All right, and then just because I like to see the colors and everything change and mix around, I'm gonna go in with my, what is this called? Vanilla flavoring, vanilla extract. Yeah. I don't know, I just put like a good amount in there, but I am today adding the coffee creamer too, so technically I didn't need this, but it's happening today. So then that kind of mixes around, and I'm gonna shake up my heavy cream. There's barely any left. And add a little bit of this. Now it's gonna kind of foam up and like froth up when I add this in because of the carbonation, you know, from the other drinks. But I add just like a good amount of that. And only sometimes I add both of these in, but I'm gonna add this in today too, just to make sure it's really nice and vanilla-y. The vanilla flavor is what really makes this like cream. It's like a creamsicle. That's the word I was looking for, creamsicle. But I wanna be careful because this is probably gonna like overflow. Just a little bit, and it's definitely though gonna overflow once I start mixing around in my sugar. I'm telling you, all the flavor though is usually like right in the froth. Ah, so good. It tastes like ice cream. My straw that perfectly matches with everything that we're doing today. That in there, and I'm gonna add in my stevia, which again is definitely optional. Like, I'm sure it tastes perfectly fine like this, but just for you guys, I'm just gonna add this in, and it's gonna froth up once I mix it around. What, Barbie? What are you looking at? Nothing? All right, so now I'm gonna mix it, and it's gonna froth up once I start mixing this guy around, I think. Usually does. Oh, not too bad, probably because I already took some out of it, but. So yeah, I like to keep a straw in here. Or spoon. Oh, there we go. Now it's oh. I like to add or keep a straw in here so that I can continuously mix it up. Look at this. Because otherwise, the cream is going to separate from the carbonation, all the other juices down at the bottom. So I like to continuously stir it as I drink it. But it's so good, so summery. Love it. Again, though, I'm sorry I don't have like exact measurements of like how much of each to go. Just base it off of like the size of your cup. I usually do mostly the energy drink, but it's really up to you. And then just leave like maybe that much amount to fill with your cream, the creamer, whatever you're using for that. I just know it's probably gonna foam up though, so it might overflow over your cup. But I've been loving this lately. It is so good. It's like a treat, but it's keto. Unless this is throwing me out of ketosis, someone let me know. But I don't mind it anyways, it's so good. So that is it for this keto drink summary, yummy recipe. My hair looks crazy. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys drink these Bang energy drinks at all, or if you have any good, preferably keto summer drink recipes that I should be trying out. I love hearing from you guys. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you're subscribed and you hit the bell notification so that you are alerted whenever I post new videos. I try to post Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, but sometimes it gets a little difficult for my life, especially now. For my vida's crazy. But yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching este video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.